What if I told you the kind of love you're looking for is not the kind you've been practicing? What if the reason your relationships are breaking, your heart keeps getting hurt, and people keep disappointing you, is because you've never truly understood the kind of love Jesus Christ was talking about? We say, "I love you" easily. But let's be honest. We love people who love us back. We care when it's convenient. We forgive, but only a little. The moment someone hurts us, we withdraw. We fight back. We cut them off. And then we wonder, why does love feel so fragile? Why does it never last? Then Jesus Christ said something shocking. Love your enemies. Not your friends. Not your family. Your enemies. People who talk about you. People who betray you. People who hurt you deeply. And he didn't stop there. Pray for those who persecute you. Wait, what? That's not normal. That's not human. That's something higher. You see, the love Jesus taught is not based on feelings. It's based on choice. Anyone can love when it feels good. But real love shows up when it's painful, when it's unfair, when it costs you something. That's why most people don't practice it. Because it's not easy. Think about this moment. Jesus, betrayed, beaten, mocked, hanging on the cross. And in that moment, he didn't curse them. He didn't call down fire. He said, "Father, forgive them." That's not just love. That's unimaginable love. Love that refuses to hate, even when it has every reason to. Now let's bring it to you. Who hurt you? Who disappointed you? Who said things that broke you inside? You've been carrying that pain, calling it strength. But deep down, it's heavy, and it's slowly changing your heart. Because bitterness doesn't stay small. It grows. Here's what Jesus was showing. Love is not weakness. Forgiveness is not losing. Letting go is not failure. It's freedom. Because when you refuse to love, you stay connected to the pain. But when you love anyway, you break the chain. Imagine living like this. Unoffended, unshaken, unstoppable in love. Not because people are good, but because your heart is rooted in something greater. That's the life Jesus was offering. Not easy, but powerful. So here's your challenge. Think of one person, just one, that you've been struggling to love. Today, choose differently. Pray for them. Forgive them. Release it. If you're ready to live this kind of love, type, "I choose love." Share this with someone who needs healing. And follow for more messages that will transform your life. Because the love Jesus taught is the love that changes everything.